talking about vehicles and dumb shit, this is probably the dumbest one we have for the day, and I couldn't believe this was even a video. This fucking guy. This
He takes
fucking
it
guy.
right in the dick.
It barely hits the ball. Look at him. He's lucky he didn't hit the fucking tree.
He's lucky he's alive.
Yeah.
That's
It,
fucking retarded.
who the fuck even does this? That is some of the craziest shit. Like, you could literally die.
Yeah, drunks, fucking drunk, New Jersey rednecks.
That looked
That's
like some
fucking
tomahawk
terrible.
field party type shit.
I don't know. I don't think anybody's ever done anything that fucking stupid.
No, but I'm just saying that the dude looks like he could be from Tomahawk. The truck looks like it could be from Tomahawk.
Yeah,
Enough
the wood.
alcohol. Maybe Andy Weber was out there with a big ball. Like maybe.
Nothing's on fire though. There's no fire.
Yeah, this is true. And they always started those fires with oil, so it fucking stunk so bad. Like
Right.
black shit just burning off the
Uh
fire
huh.
for an hour and a half. Like